Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. Today I can proudly show you this fully restored and absolutely gem of a motorcycle, a 1975 Suzuki GT 750A. It's built and restored by the well-respected Peter Ormrod. He's very well known in the trade. He restores these kettles to an absolutely first-class standard. It's just gorgeous everywhere you look. I can't stress how nice it is. Apparently it is 100% correct, which is, well, it's incredible. The attention to detail is like second to none. I'll just show you around. Well, it's just lovely. The chrome work is stunning. Underneath is like brand new. It's got the proper wheels. Just run around it and show you. Lovely frame. It's got the stampings on the exhaust, stampings on the wheels. Everywhere you look, it's just brand new. You cannot fault this bike. I've had quite a few of these over the years, but this is the most impressive. I mean, just look at that frame, guys, and the polishing. I know I keep on about it, but I am an enthusiast. I'm sorry. Now it's in Maui blue, which is one of the most popular colours, and I think it really pops and stands out. It's lovely. One key fits all, which I will show you. No bullshit on my channel. There we go, it's just lovely. Right, let's get the key. Right, I'll show you how nice this is. There we go. Oh, nice, nicely done. Beautifully done. Very difficult on your own, never mind. Same key. And it does the steering lock as well. Now this is going to be fun, doing it yourself. There we go. There, how nice is that underneath? Look at that, beautiful. I have fitted a C-Tech charging point there, so that'd be good. Lovely. And I will fire it up. Hasn't been fired up for a couple of days. Stone cold. There we are, absolutely stone cold. And I'm sure it will start first time because I trust Peter. Right, choke will have to go on. The fuel's on because there's one of these vacuum valves. Ignition's on there. Neutral. When touched, it should be away. There we go. Oh, smell that. Should be alright off. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. It is just fantastic. Oh, I can't wait for a nice dry days to take this one out. Just look at this. Pete, you're a genius, mate. I appreciate your work. Stunning. Well, I think I'll end it there. I'll turn it off. Ace. Well, thanks for watching my video, guys. Please like and subscribe, as I know there's going to be many more to follow, but I'm really happy with this gem. I hope you liked the video. Cheers, take care.